Hello guys, and welcome to the last episode in this series of Project Jasper. So as you probably guessed by now, the application to BattleBots was successful, and Jasper's been officially entered into BattleBots 2019. Now all that's left is to build it. Now the build window is very short, and we only have 3 weeks to get the robot done and in a crate to LA. I'm here in RC KEV's machine shop, where he's very kindly let me use some of his machines to start making robot parts. Some parts have started coming in for the robot, so this is our delivery of laser cut parts. And I've also got a weld table to assemble, which is a project I've been wanting to do for a little while, so I'll put it on the end of this laser cut order. Let's go! Happy weld day! We're here at my brand new welding table. It all went together pretty nicely. Hopefully I'll be able to get everything nice and square on this. These are my laser cut profiles. I've designed everything with tabs so that they can slot in. The reason I do that is because I'm not a very good welder, to be honest, and I don't really want to be messing about with the location when I'm trying to struggle to weld them all together. There you go. So they'll go in like that. These are the angle pieces, so they'll locate like that. The tabs also make it mechanically stronger, so it gives it something to sort of bite into. You're not just relying on the weld then, there's actual material there that has to fail before it can come apart. These are the 2 tabs that will help locate this. These are actually different sizes, so another thing I do is, if I've got 2 parts that look very similar, like these 2 here, I'll give these different size tabs so they physically can't go in the wrong place. So this one here is a smaller tab, it can't go like that. So this will locate everything in that way, as well as act as a gusset, so it makes the thing mechanically stronger. I'll go there. There we go. Ta-da! Right, now what I have to do is by far my least favourite job, weld prep. So I have to grind all the mill scale off of these parts here, because otherwise they contaminate the weld. Grind montage! So that was after about 6 hours of grinding. This is the last week of construction, by the way, so it ships next Monday. This is the spare cover for the ESCs at the front. That part goes there like that. These go either side and tab in like that. And this part goes at the front.
We've got 2 days until it's due to be in a crate. It is in pieces at the moment. It's kind of like a robot abattoir in here. Believe it or not, this is enough spares to make 2 full robots, so we should be okay as if we take any damage. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through and assemble the thing. This is the first time it's been assembled. I didn't even do a test assembly just because we didn't have time to. So let's all hope it goes together, because otherwise we're in trouble. Very nice. What bits do I need next? Drive shafts coming out of there, and then the face plates for the motors.
Okay, well, we get sparks. Oh. Shing.
It is the morning of shipping and I have stayed up all night trying to get it all ready in time, and this is what Jasper looks like. Woohoo! So, not quite done yet, but pretty damn close, huh? I can honestly say I can't have worked any harder on this one. I haven't stopped since we got accepted. It's a shame I wasn't able to get it all finished before shipping because it would have been a lot of weight off my mind, but that's just how it goes. I can't have done any more on this. So we have plenty of time when we get there just to finish off these last little bits, and then we'll be ready to take a BattleBots and smash them all to pieces. And that is it. Months and months of planning, countless hours of hard work, and thousands of pounds packed into a crate, shipped halfway around the world to take part in the biggest robot fighting contest on the planet. I think you can just about tell here how relieved I am that at least the build part's over. Well, mostly. Thanks again to my sponsors, RC KEV Engineering and Design. If you need any parts machine for your own projects, make sure to get in contact with him. It's very reasonably priced and very approachable, especially for newer engineers or designers. Thanks to Andron Handling, who design and build interesting special purpose machinery and lifting equipment. They also offer project management services and industrial maintenance. Richings Golf Club for their continued help and support. It's a nice golf club based right near Heathrow Airport. They also host functions and do foot golf there. And lastly, thank you very much to my friends and teammates. Without you, this would not be possible. Make sure you check out BattleBots on the Discovery channel and root for Jasper. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to hit the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.